I think first we must say that last week was a good week. Despite the odds both locally and globally, markets literally they managed to climb the wall of worry. Whether it was on the geopolitical front, post the US GDP data, and also in terms of the FI impact that actually got nullified. While you can argue back and say that on a relative basis, the case for small caps to do better, I think is far higher than large cap stocks, given that you've got this pent up selling which is coming from foreign institutional investors, which is almost like a relentless. But we put a encouraging, a news heavy, and a good week of trade behind us, which means that as we roll into what could be called as the month of May, when it would be liquidity, it would be politics, it would be technicals. These are the factors which will dominate the market action. I guess the decks are clear for some more elevation. We are not likely to go up, at least for benchmark indices, in a hurry. That's because ITS disappointed, banks has not surprised, so the upside in benchmark indices will get capped. But trust me when I say that the excitement in small and mid cap stocks after the success of Vodafone IPO and given the run up and comeback we've seen in some of these small and mid cap stocks, I think is clearly visible. The price action has gone back to all time high, but the underlying FOMO, I think, is clearly visible. So you are in that extension of that comeback trade in small and mid cap stocks. That's the way I look at things.
Comeback